Today we'll talk about how can you select font size on your Whoscall app. We'll go to figure out the solution on how you can do that on your app. So you just follow these ways, then it's going to work with you. So all you have to do, so you go here, you go above this sign, click on it here. So then it's going to show for you a list like this. Then all you have to do now, you just click here on settings here, just click on it. So then it's going to take you to next step here. It's going to show for you like this. You come here to font size, you just click here on font size here. Then it's going to show for you a list like this here. Then here can you change your or select here your font size if you want to add small or medium or large here. That's all. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribe.